Bitcoin dominance and the effects on stablecoins. This will tell us if the markets are turning bullish or bearish. Understanding how the different markets work will increase your success in trading. We're going to talk about USDT market cap, Bitcoin dominance, S&P 500 E mini futures, and how to use the information to our advantage. If you haven't already done so, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure that notification bell is on. First up, we have USDT, and it remains in third place for the overall market cap. But what is USDT and why is it important? The definition of a stablecoin is that it's pegged to an asset. In this case, the USDT is pegged to the dollar. The 1 USDT is pegged to the $1 bill. And of course, we do have other stablecoins, USDC, and other ones. So whenever the market's not looking good, there's a lot of volatility. What most traders will do, or investors, is they'll exit the coin, whether it's Bitcoin or an altcoin, and they'll hold their money in USDT. Now, this is important. There are two ways the USDT market cap grows. The first is when more money is put into the market by buying more of the USDT. So they're exchanging their fiat for USDT. And this is bullish because more money, USDT, is going towards the total market cap. Now, the second way USDT market cap grows is through a swap from another coin. So if you're in a coin, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another altcoin, and you sell it, well, you get back USDT. And the overall capital present in the sector wouldn't change. It's just reshuffling the money. And of course, the coin that you close the trade, more than likely that coin's going to go into a decline because you're selling the coin, unless you're selling it at a profit. Now, the more bullish scenario is when both Bitcoin and USDT market cap go up. And what that means is more people are buying USDT so they can buy Bitcoin. And next, we're going to talk about how to identify the alt season. There's a few factors that come into play when looking for the alt season. One, you have to look at Bitcoin. Is it going up or down? You also have to look at Bitcoin dominance in relation to the alts. So the way I like thinking about it is it's a big old pie. And right now, Bitcoin dominance, we'll just say this is about 52%. This is saying that Bitcoin has the dominance of this entire crypto space of about 52%. However, when Bitcoin dominance reduces and the alts increase in dominance, this is of course showing that we have an alt season, depending on what Bitcoin is doing. So we have Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin, the interpretation, and the season. So if Bitcoin dominance is going up and also Bitcoin is going up, then this is Bitcoin is outpacing the alts. And you can refer to this chart again. And this is what's called Bitcoin season. Now, when Bitcoin dominance is increasing and Bitcoin is coming down, well, this is the worst case scenario. This is when the alts get hit the hardest. And if you think about it, again, referring to that pie chart, if Bitcoin dominance is going up and the price of Bitcoin is coming down, that means people are selling off their Bitcoin. When people start selling off their Bitcoin and you start seeing Bitcoin coming down, most people, fear sets in and they start selling their altcoins. And that's why the alts get hit the hardest. Now, when we have Bitcoin dominance coming down, however, Bitcoin, the price is going up. As we mentioned earlier on that pie chart, the dominance of Bitcoin that it has over the entire market is reducing. However, Bitcoin's going up and also the altcoins are going up. And because the altcoins are going up, that's what's causing the dominance of Bitcoin to reduce. And this is actually the best case scenario because the alts are going to perform the best. This is known as the alt season. Now, when we have Bitcoin dominance coming down and also Bitcoin coming down, well, then this is when the alts start moving sideways or slowly bleed. This is when you want to take your profits really quick. So here's a pro tip, is to set your targets lower. It could be around 10%, maybe 20, the most 30%. The reason for that is because more than likely, if you have your targets at 40, 50, 80%, it's going to take a lot longer to hit just because of the market conditions. And not only that, but you may be stuck holding the coin for an extended period of time. So in short, Bitcoin dominance is a measurement on how much of the total market cap of crypto is comprised of Bitcoin. It can help you understand the trend of Bitcoin and the alts. Now, in this interpretation, we have the stock market index and also total 2 on this graphic. So here is the DXY. This is the strength of the dollar. We have the interpretation here. When this goes up, usually Bitcoin goes down. And of course, the DXY is closely tied to investments, with a strong dollar resulting in less investment in high-risk markets such as stocks and crypto. Now, when the ES1 exclamation point, this is the E-mini futures, this is the stock market index. And when this is strong, it indicates a positive trend for Bitcoin. And normally, when this goes up and also Bitcoin goes up, this is really strong. This is saying there's both a positive trend in the stock market and also Bitcoin. And normally Bitcoin follows the ES1 exclamation point. Now, there are some times where there's some deviation where this will go up and this will come down, and then it'll go sideways before it follows ES1 exclamation point again. Then we have the Bitcoin dominance. When this goes up and Bitcoin goes up, we talked about this on the last graphic, this can indicate that people are investing more in Bitcoin than other cryptocurrencies, and this can increase the value of Bitcoin. So when more people are buying Bitcoin, it's increasing the Bitcoin dominance, and the altcoins are suffering. Then we have total 2, and this is all of the crypto excluding Bitcoin. So when this goes up and also Bitcoin goes up, then Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. And this was on the last graphic as well. This is all of the altcoins. And this is just saying that there's a lot of strength in the market. People are still buying more Bitcoin, possibly with USDT, and also getting into the altcoins. And because of that, since more money is coming into the altcoins, it's reducing the dominance of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going up, the market's going up, and because both of these are going up, Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. Now this one, I'm not going to read all of this. There are some that we've already discussed, but you can definitely pause this video and read what each of these represents. Now, if this video cleared up any confusion you may have had when it comes to Bitcoin dominance or how it plays as far as the market goes, when is the alt season, Bitcoin season, if it cleared up any confusion, please definitely let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't already, please smash the like button. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, make sure to put them in the comment box. We'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.